Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Yakuza 0 Director's Cut game not launching or not loading, lagging, black screen, crashing or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. For that, this will help you to clear the cached data. Open settings, then choose device and connections and click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage. Now choose clear persistent storage and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, then select network settings. Click on test network connection, then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next solution is to check for Yakuza 0 Director Cut update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and once the game is updated, now try to check. If not, next is to clear cache of the game. For that, press Xbox Guide, My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for the game, then press menu, then select Manage Game and Add-ons. Then tap on Save Data and then click on Reserved Space. Finally, tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open Guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select Remove option. Now after that, add the account again and then check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then select settings, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space. Next is to reinstall Yakuza 0 Director's Cut game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All. Here select the game, then press menu button and then select uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open Yakuza 0 Director's Cut official website and download the game and then check whether the game is launching or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket or let them know about the error. This will better guide you what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.